Spicy dill pickle, baby. Limited time only. Comes with these other 4 guys. Doritos. White cheddar. And yeah, I think this one could be the best one. Or I'm gonna say maybe the Doritos one. Yeah, let's give this a go. Before we go, gotta walk this little cute dog. You guys already know. Let's go, Sita. Welcome back, yo. Hey, yo, what's good, everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly video, guys. Hold up a second. Hold up. Yeah, I hope that made a difference. We need a thumbnail. I want to have it with a chip in my hand. Smell it. Yo, guys. You guys look at it first before I do. Look at that. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Here, have some. Mwah. Eat, eat, eat. Bite, sniff, smell, lick. Yeah, but's mine. Woo! I need to find the perfect chip. You want it in my mouth? Oh my gosh. Spicy dill pickle, baby. Mmm. 4-gram protein. Let's go. Mmm. I can definitely taste the dill pickle in there. But you know what makes it even better, guys? Is that there's a little kick to it. Mmm. Lay's spicy dill pickle chips, Miss Vicky's. It says right here, guys. One more. Mmm. Guys, these are so good. If you like dill pickles, go out and get these. Mmm. It needs to be more spicy, but I prefer these over the plain dill pickles because these still have a little kick to it. Lay's, you guys did it again. Hold up. Look at that. Just look at that. And it's for me, not for you. Mmm. Wow. That's the review. Double thumbs up. That means go on and try now, guys. It's really good, man. Especially if you like spicy and you like dill pickle. Mmm. Alright, guys. That's the fly review. Double thumbs up. It was good. Just remember one thing, though. I'll be back, though. Yeah. Stay fly.